Hello, and welcome to Jane Moore Parental Control app. Family parental control apps are very vital for our generation of kids. To use this app, you need two devices: a parent device, Android or PC, and a child device, Android or iOS. The parent device will remotely manage the child device. If you are using a PC for the parent device, you will first need to install an Android emulator such as BlueStack. So, to get started, first you need to download the app on both devices, the parent and the child. Then go ahead and launch the app. On the parent device, register as a parent by entering your email and PIN. Then hit register. Answer the security question and save. Now grant the app permissions, then you will be asked to enter and confirm your passcode. On the child's device, register as a child by hitting the register button. Now enter the same parent email and PIN, or just enter email only, then scan the QR code. Grant all the permissions on the child's device. Now answer your security question and create the passcode. And now you're in. Don't forget to enable the various features that you would want to access remotely to complete the setup process. And that's it.